Under this menu, a recipe so delicious, you'll need to let us show you how easy it is to put together. Crunchy kale salad. Lei hou ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from YeungCook.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is incredibly delicious and it's also really easy to make. Let's begin. Chop down about 175 grams of black kale. Place the kale into a large mixing bowl. About 125 grams of purple cabbage, thinly chopped. I love chopping things super wafer thin because that really did not look like very much cabbage, but it yields so much more. About 225 grams of Brussels sprouts, thinly chopped. You know, when you're chopping things this thin, it's really about safety over speed. So definitely always remember your 3 fingers to the back of that blade. And this way you're always guiding that knife opposed to chopping this way where it can get pretty dangerous. Chop 1 Fuji apple into thin matchsticks. About 150 grams of cherry tomatoes, roughly chopped. Half a red onion, thinly sliced. Half cup raisins, 1/4 cup hemp hearts. That's pretty much it. Super simple. And if you love super easy recipes like I do, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook. This has most of the favorite recipes from the show here on YouTube. To take a sneak peek inside the book or to order your signed copy, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check that out. Now let's make that easy dressing to go with this easy salad. Blender. 1 cup cashews. 1/3 cup lemon juice. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon oregano. Pepper. Drizzle of olive oil. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 cup water. Blend on high until liquefied. Pour in half the dressing. Remember, you can always add more, but you cannot take away. Toss. Plate. Add some more fresh cracked pepper and serve. You can now make this delicious crunchy salad with absolute confidence. I cannot wait to take a bite out of this. That is so, it's just bursting with flavor in that one bite. Visually, this dish is absolutely stunning. Has some incredible dark foresty greens and a beautiful purple and the red from the tomatoes. But like I said, that first bite is just an explosion of different flavors and textures. Of course, you get that incredibly satisfying crunch, that freshness from the fresh kale, the purple cabbage. You get that crazy, delightful crunch from the Brussels sprouts, and that cold, crisp sweetness from the Fuji apple. The tomatoes adds that kind of contrast in texture, as well as a burst of kind of sweetness, a little bit of acidity. The raisins add a little bit of contrasting texture as well, that chewiness with the sweetness. The hemp hearts kind of substantiates this salad a little bit and adds a little bit of kind of saltiness and earthiness to this dish. Those leaves really pick up that dressing really well. The dressing is not too watery and not too thick at the same time, but it dresses this salad with this delicious kind of salty, nutty, as well as this aromatic kind of oregano, delicious herb flavor. And that lemon juice just really livens up that dressing. That thinly sliced red onion also adds that kick of flavor, and with just a few simple, humble ingredients, you really can turn your kitchen into a restaurant and make this delicious, visually stunning salad that you can also make ahead of time and just have this on the go. You can also substantiate this with some oven roasted chickpeas or put this in a wrap or some pan-seared tofu. This is an incredibly versatile, beautiful, delicious, refreshing, and delightfully crunchy salad. This, for me, is definitely a newbie recipe that can impress a professional chef. And if you love delicious and easy recipes like this, of course, check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check these out, take a sneak peek, or order your signed copy. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.